हेलो हाय छोड़िए, जय श्री राम बोलिए। वेलकम टू घूमने चलो। We are back with yet another episode of places to visit around Bangalore. Are you living in Bangalore and want to explore nearby places in a day trip? Then you are at the right place. In this video, I'll share 40 best places which are under 100 kilometers. In our previous episode of Places to Visit series, we shared with you selected 36 places under 50 kilometers from Bangalore. And we will be coming with some more exciting episodes with curated places for you in the range of 100, 150, 150 to 200 kilometers, 200 to 250 kilometers and 250 to 300 kilometers. I would like to disclaim a few things. These are choices based on our preferences and likings. Since Bangalore is a big place, so the distance shown depends on which part of the Bangalore you live in. And the last thing, before I start sharing the places, I would like to give credit to the respective owners of photos being used in this video. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe. And without any further delay, let's start the video. We have divided the places into 8 categories: nature and scenic spots, historical and cultural sites, wildlife and adventure, lakes and dams, religious spots, offbeat and hidden gems, resorts and recreational spots, and adventure hubs. Starting up with our first category, nature and scenic spots. Nandi Hills, which is just 61 kilometers and is known for its sunrise and trekking. Skandgiri, just 62 kilometers, known for its night trekking and as a camping paradise. Antargange, 70 kilometers, known for its caves, trekkings and stargazing. Avla Betta, it's 90 kilometers, a hilltop with scenic views. Savandurga, 60 kilometers, it is Asia's largest monolith and is ideal for trekking. Chuchi Falls, 83 kilometers and it's a beautiful waterfall surrounded by rocky terrain. Hesarghatta Lake, 80 kilometers, it's a very calm place. You can go for bird watching and photography. TK Falls, 60 kilometers. Try to visit this place during monsoon. Coming to our second category, historical and cultural sites. Bhoganandeshwara. It's 60 kilometers and in the temple you can see ancient Dravidian architecture. Devanhalli Fort. It is 60 kilometers and is birthplace of Tipu Sultan. Lipakshi Temple. It's 95 kilometers and is a beautiful temple. You must visit this. Gavi Gangadhareshwar is a beautiful temple located 60 kilometers away with a unique stone architecture. Coming to our third category, wildlife and adventure. Bannerghatta Biological Park. It is 60 kilometers and it's a zoo with diverse wildlife and is known for its safari. Muthiala Madiyu, it's 65 kilometers and a beautiful waterfall. Makli Durg, it's 57 kilometers and is a fort known for its trekking and scenic rail tracks. Ramnagar, 55 kilometers and is known for the famous movie Sholay. Jungle Lodges, Bhimeshwari. It's 85 kilometers, known for river rafting, fishing, eco-adventure activities. Coming to our next category, lakes and dams. Manchanabelly Dam. It's 60 kilometers and it's perfect for picnic. Kanwa Reservoir. It's 69 kilometers and a scenic place. You can enjoy some water activities also. TG Halli Dam. It's 55 kilometers, great for photography and to spend your leisure time. Next category, religious spots. Ghati Subramanya. It is 60 kilometers. It's a famous temple dedicated to Lord Subramanya. Siddha Ganga Mutt. 63 kilometers from here, and you can visit this place for spirituality. Sri Ranganatha Swami. 60 kilometers. Beautiful temple. You can visit this place. Another category is offbeat and hidden gems. Chikballapur Vineyard. It is 65 kilometers. You can visit this place and see the winemaking process and even taste them. Dota Alada Mara. It is 60 kilometers and it's a big 400-year-old banyan tree. Hosur. 85 kilometers, known for its flower market. Nrityagram. 51 kilometers. It's a dance village promoting Indian classical arts. Kokre Bellur Bird Sanctuary. 90 kilometers and it's a spot for exotic birds in their natural habitat. Next category is resorts and recreational spots. Wonderla Amusement Park. It's 50 kilometers and you can visit this place for exciting water activities. Guhantra Cave Resort. It is just 65 kilometers and it is beautiful resort with underground cave. Eagleton Golf Resort. It's 60 kilometers and you can enjoy golf over here. Next category is adventure hubs. Horsley Hills. It's 90 kilometers and is a hill station for trekking and adventure. Devrayana Durg. It's 90 kilometers and nearest hill station from Bangalore. Putri Durga Trek. It's 90 kilometers and is one of the easiest trek. Kabbal Durga Trek. It's 95 kilometers. You can trek to see historical prison. Mandargiri Trek. 70 kilometers, popular for early morning treks. Mekedatu and Sangama. It's 95 kilometers. Here you can see river confluence between two hills. Narayangiri Treks. It's 80 kilometers. You can enjoy boating and trekking over here. Nijakkal Betta. It's 70 kilometers. Here you can see ruins of temples. Shiva Gange Hill, 75 kilometers. Shaped as a Shivalinga, you can trek and reach this place. That's all in this video. If you have already visited some of the places, please share your experience in the comments below. If you want to add some places that we missed out, comment or DM us on Instagram. See you in our next episode. Be safe. Jai Shri Ram.